Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to apply superscript to a type text in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to apply superscript. Firstly, write any text. Now I write x2 plus y2. Then select the two text and go to the home menu. Then apply the superscript. Then again select the two text and apply the superscript. Then select the whole text and increase the font size to see the superscript. Now we can see we apply superscript to type text in this publisher document very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.